Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken legs and rice. So let's get toasting. I'm going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this, and I'm using 1 cup of jasmine rice. My pan's lightly oiled here, so 1 cup of jasmine rice. I guess you could use any type of rice that you wanted, but jasmine rice seems to cook pretty well in the toaster oven. And it says to add 1.5 cups of water to that, but it also says to put a lid on it. And I'm going to cook this uncovered, so I'm actually going to use 2 cups of water because some of it would probably evaporate. And I'm also going to add one of these chicken bouillon cubes to the water. It says to add one of these to 2 cups of water, so that'll be just right. And I'm going to break it all up here. And this is warm water, just so it will kind of dissolve a little bit easier. And then I'm going to kind of get this all mixed together the best that I can. Alright, that dissolved fairly well. It's not going to be perfect, but good enough. Now we'll just add that to the rice. That'll give it some flavor. I have a package of organic chicken legs here. These were $2.29 per pound, so $4.14, but they were actually marked $2 off, so actually $2.14 because the expiration date was yesterday, so I need to get them used up. Now I'm gonna pull the skin off of these because I don't want all that fat from the skin to get into the rice. I try to kind of watch the amount of fat that I eat, so but that's up to you. You can leave the skin on if you like. So I run warm water over them, and that kind of softens up the skin. And then usually you can just grab a paper towel and just kind of pull it off like this. Although that one's kind of giving me a little bit of a hard time here. Oh, I guess that's pretty good. Anyway, I'll do the rest of them just like that. Now I'm going to season the chicken legs with this rub by the J. Christopher Company. It says sumac in it. It's some type of a berry. Kind of gives a chicken kind of a nice citrusy flavor, but you can season these any way that you like. And then I'm just going to put the chicken legs just right on top of the rice, just like that. This rub is not very salty, so I think I'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt over the top of everything here. And we'll get this into the toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll let you guys know how long this takes. I let this cook for 50 minutes, and it's been cooling down for about another 20 minutes, so let's see how it looks here. Looks like the rice is cooked through pretty nicely. It's a little crispy on top, but it looks like it's cooked nicely underneath. And see how the chicken looks? Looks like it's cooked through nicely. Has a nice color on the outside. So anyway, it's pretty hot. Just grab a little bit with some rice here and we'll try that out. It turned out pretty good. Chicken legs don't dry out much, so they're pretty moist. And I kind of like the different textures of rice, kind of the crunchy on top and a little more mushy underneath. Kind of gives you 2 different textures. That's pretty good like that. Guess we better let Annie try it. She showed up over here. Want a piece, Annie? Chow down. So I will write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.